How to get $30 Uber Eats promo code. In this video, I will show you how can you easily get $30 Uber Eats promo code. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open your Google application. Once you do so, go to its search bar and type Uber Eats promo code. Then after you will see numerous websites providing you different offer that you can use in Uber Eats. Simply click on any one of the websites. After that, in those websites you will see a list of offers that you can use to get a perfect detail in Uber Eats. So simply click on the one offer which you think is suitable for you. After that, copy the code which it leads to you, and that's it. By using the code which you just copied, you will be able to get a great offer in Uber Eats. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.